Alright, family, this is breaking news surrounding Dr. Umar Johnson and the FDMG Academy. So we've been following the story about the school being on the verge of auction if $20,000, $40,000, whatever the amount is, isn't paid to the state of Delaware. But now things got a little crazier.
The news today, and I jumped right on it. Dr. Umar's school is being auctioned off in Delaware. Yeah, and we're gonna buy it. Yeah, we already saw the pictures. It's gonna take us. We're gonna have to go over there. It's gonna take us a couple weekends to get the electrical and the floor done. But yeah, me and a couple Mexicans are gonna knock it out in about a month. The paperwork's a little longer. We're gonna name it Whip Cracker University, whites only. And it's gonna go. How can we do that? We just have to put up a high IQ regimen. You know what I mean? They got to be into math and science. White only. We'll have some Asians now and then, you know what I'm saying? But not many. The school, it's going to cost me probably about $50,000 because I got to pay off his crap. But after that, Whip Crackers University. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hi, my name is Philip Don Grande, and me and the investors, we are buying Dr. Umar Johnson's former school that he was going to turn into an academy. Over 10 years ago, and he raised $1.2 million. He bought the building for $400,000, and I'm going to buy it for $300,000 because of all the back stuff and the neglect. It's actually worth a lot less than that. We're going to lowball him a little more. After that, we're going to knock that thing clear to the ground and just kind of make a mountain out of the rubble itself. We're going to throw dirt over that rubble, and then on top, we're going to get a black sculptor that's down on his luck, and he's going to create a massive toilet. And we're going to pay him. We're going to pay him good, and we're going to pay him cash. But he's going to sculpt a big, huge toilet. And then I'm going to have a bunch of Mexicans take a shit in the toilet for diversity. And that's what's going to sit there. And it's just kind of a symbol, you know, to where all you dumbass people put in $1.2 million.
Did y'all hear that? A white man just said he's ready to buy Dr. Umar Johnson's school if it goes up for auction. This is exactly what Umar has been warning about for years. Outside forces coming in to take what he's supposedly been trying to build for us all this time. Now let's be real. Whether you agree with Dr. Umar or not, this is a wake-up call. If the auction happens, whoever has the money can just walk right in and claim FDMG. And once that happens, it's no longer a black institution. It's pretty much gone. So the question is that should people, after everything that's been going on over the last 10 years with Dr. Umar, should people in the community step up to keep FDMG, or has too much time has already been passed and wasted on this project? And how do you feel about this whole situation where outsiders are basically saying, yo, I'm just going to swoop right in because of his failure to keep things afloat and his failure to be transparent about the situation? I think this is major, so I want y'all to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Now he could be joking, he could be just talking, you know, random shit on the internet, but I think this is what happens when we drop the ball on things. I think this happens when we allow ourselves to not be transparent about what's going on in the situation, and then people can make a mockery of you. So what I want you guys to do is leave your comments down below, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think.